What's up, guys? I got a Ford F350 here with the 7.3 Powerstroke diesel in it, and we're going to be doing the gas tank screens inside. Okay, so first you want to take off this plug, and then you want to get these little, let me show them. They're these little clips that you can get from Napa. It comes in a pack like this, and you want that for your gas lines, and you put the clips on to squeeze them off. There it goes. You guys can see how that just presses it off. Okay, there it goes. All right, and then you want to take a screwdriver and a hammer and start to unscrew this little plastic ring. Go easy with it though, because it's plastic. Unscrew that right off, guys. Pull the pump right out. Oh yeah. Let me drip out a little bit. All right, guys, so first we want to take off this little fitting right there, because the screens are inside of this plastic piece, and we want to pry this off right here after we get this off. So we'll show you guys here in a second. So we're gonna take that little clip off there. Pull that right off. Put that down on a clean spot. Then you want to pry those. You got to watch out with these plastic things. But you want to try to pry this top part off, basically. All right, guys, after you blow out the screens and you blow out inside here just a little bit, then you want to throw the screens back inside the pump. Yeah. Maybe try that. Just like that. Oh. Clip in the other side, guys. All right, and then we want to just wipe out all that dirty plastic on the side. Just wipe all the dirt off of it. Try to keep it as clean as you can. All right, and then you want to take this black piece, put that back on. You guys took that off before, and then just.
And there's a stop in there. You slide it in until you feel the stop, and then you know you're good.
And then just tighten that. Not too much though, it's plastic, it could crack, so just snug it up just a little bit. It just has to sit in there. Yeah, perfect. Then we could drop the pump back in. This seal warped a little bit. Yeah. All right, then you drop the pump back in. Yeah, we drop the pump back in. Make sure you got the seal on there though. Just go gentle with it. back in there. Put your little plastic piece over everything. Let's screw this plastic piece on.
Remember how hard this was?
Yeah, it swells up from the diesel, guys. It's going on way better than yours did. Makes it way easier that the tank's not moving.
Yeah.
Did yours have this?
Yep.
Perfect. You just want to tighten that up.
Yeah.
And then just get the screwdriver and give it a few taps with the hammer. Alright, then pop your lines back in. You should just be able to push them in just like that. Boom.